But if you look at the ripple effect on water itself, it's really conducive to two different opposing values. If you look at the ripple effect closely in the water, if you look at the waves in the water, not from a three-dimensional perspective, you have to look at things two-dimensionally. You have to turn off your three-dimensional lens and look at things from a two-dimensional optical perspective. And what you'll notice is, when you look at the water from a two-dimensional perspective, it consists of three values. Values is the number of different shades that exist between the light and dark in the grayscale area. And what you'll see that you have the fundamental or the basic color, primary, or the dominant color, which is the color of the water, which is what is reflecting from, what tangible or object is reflecting from. But when you look at the water itself, on top of the water, there's two distinct polarity shades. And these two polarity shades are really conducive to the light from the sun that's reflected on the water itself.